Now now we will create a profile. So go to design profile, so go to the profile again and drop down and use the next, this time you say profile creation tools. This will pop up a window before, but you have to select before which profile view. So this one, so we select this profile. Now this will pop up a window, and here again you can, the alignment is already selected, the create profile, design profile. So you say tut, and I will say underscore dsn for design profile. Okay, and select style. This is design profile already selected, you can change it, nothing, this is nothing, and I will not like to okay, let it be displayed. Okay, complete level style. So okay, now you have a similar option to that we what we had in the alignment when we were creating alignment. Okay, so again, for this purpose, this is just a simple tutorial. So for this one, I will just select draw tangents with curves. Okay, so that it automatically adds curves. So we will begin from, we'll turn on the snap button, and then so that I can snap to start, and somewhere I will snap it here. And now I think I better turn off the snap, and then I will just draw a rough profile, you know, just want to, I will also want to balance the cut and fill, and would also like to, would also like to this profile to have, you see how much is the percentage, 6.25%. So the gradient is pretty high. So this one, for this tutorial, we will keep it like this. There's no issue with this. Later we will delve in deeper aspects of the design, and then we will see how to adjust these. Okay, so now you have alignment, profile, ground profile, and the design profile as well. Okay, now the next step is to let's close this one.